Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning to all you guys.
Hi, hola everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first thing, recognize my name is Aurelia Iza Salsabila from class 4 TBIA. I hail from small town Banjarnegara and I am domiciled in Patikraja, to be precise, in Sirajudin Islamic Boarding School. And I am currently pursuing bachelor degree in English Education Department from Islam University of Purwokerto. What a nice day, isn't it? Here is so many fresh air here. There's a good vibe I can feel from you guys. This is the smell of the most beautiful time in life. Yep, it's a high school and you are the amazing people. People say that high school, it's time for us to looking for experience in our life. As we got adventure about friendship, how feels love, how be indisciplined student. But that's not good, don't try this. Some people say that high school, it's the best experience while they are living in this planet. Without high school, well, life is a bit of boring, isn't it? Being high school is the best part in many people's school days. More friends is the more happiness you experience, but there is always an untouched that will ruin your day. And sometimes they are your teacher, but not all the teacher. Some are in other school. I mean, when it comes to a contest proving that who's the best school in small barrio, and including some of your friends that will not completely their day without testing you and bullying you. Wait, do you guys notice the important word from what I said before? Please raise your hand. Okay, I'll give the clue. I just said before, like almost the end. Yep, from all the wonderful thing in this high school, sometimes we almost forgot about bullying. This is the most problem in school, not in junior high school or senior high school. Moreover, schools people almost didn't notice on it. There are several reasons. They have difficulty to control it, they're less decisive action. In fact, they doesn't notice at all. Who? Friends, teacher, it means all of school residents. Because the bullies are making smooth on their movement, and victims who don't dare to reporting them because they're much afraid of them. Here I will explain the effects of bullying, and then why people bully. Bullying effects include first, perspective from field. Being bullied makes you people incredibly insecure. When you're being bullied, you can feel constantly insecure and on guard. Even if you are not actively being bullied, you are aware it could start anytime. It has a big mental and emotional impact. You feel unexpected, isolated, angry, and withdrawn. You're always wondering how you can do better and how you can escape a bully's notice. You are also stunned because of this constant tension and because maybe you forego making certain friendships or miss out on taking certain changes that could actually help your development. 2. Physical health consequences. The physical health consequences of bullying can be immediate, such as physical injury, or they can involve long-term effects, such as headache, sleep disturbances, or somatization. First, however, the long-term physical consequences of bullying can be difficult to identify and link with past bullying behavior versus being the result or of other causes such as anxiety or other adverse childhood events that can also have physical effect into adulthood. 3. Consequences of bullying on brain function. Being a child or youth who is bullying changes behavior, and neuroscience research suggests this experience may also change the brain. The major technique used to monitor brain function in humans is functional magnetic resonance imaging, which works by monitoring blood flow to indirectly assess the functioning of thousands of brain cells over an area of the brain. This technique has rarely been used on either the perpetrator or target of a bullying incident during this very particular social interaction, and for what reason little is known about whether or not the brain of a child who bullies or of a child who has been bullied in different before these experiences are exchanged by them. These very specific studies are required because one can make definitive statements about the brain for this topic or for how this information might help develop novel intervention or prevention. 4. Social pain. Whereas there are no studies directly examining bullying using neural imaging techniques, there are several studies examining how the brain processes social pain. Social pain describes the feelings of pain that follow the experiences of peer rejection, ostracism, or loss. Social pain is inconsistent with how people describe their feeling about being bullied. For example, one victim of bullying described the emotional toll of his experience by saying, "I feel like emotionally, the bully have been beating me with a stick for 42 years. And the last, physico-social consequences. In this section, the committee examines what is known about the physico-social consequences of being bullied. A common method of examining mental health issues separates internalizing and internalizing problems. Internalizing symptoms include problems directed within the individual, such as depression, anxiety, fear, and withdrawal from social context. Internalizing symptoms reflect behavior that is typically directed outward toward others, such as anger, aggression, and conduct problems, including a tendency to engage in risky and impulsive behavior, as well as criminal behavior. Internalizing problems also include the use and abuse of substances. They could become a bully not because they are strong or better than another. Reason why people bully first. Sometimes the people think that they will get what they want. 2. Sometimes bullies want to impress or show off to their friends. 3. Sometimes they want to feel empowered because they are being bullied by someone else, because that someone else will do what the bullies want. 4. Sometimes they don't even realize that they are being mean. 5. The bully might be jealous of you or something that you have because you're better than them. 6. They see other people doing it. 7. Sometimes they think that by bullying it will help them fit in, but actually not. 8. Sometimes bullies are meant to get attention even though it is not a happy intention. They just need an attention, attention. And the last is sometimes the bully thinks that they are better than others. Even you or your friend being bullied or is somebody who bullies, it is important to take active steps to address this behavior. It's not just about taking care to ourselves, but giving care with others. And you should build a good vibe on your inner beauty, because if you unbother on the bullies, they will feel bullied back automatically, so you have a strong defender. Because there will always be people who will try to bring you down, and that's because they are already below you, because you are the best they want to see and you are the best they want to be. You should live with that kind of energy. Don't hurt others, be kind, be loving. After that, unbother. Be a queen and king. Thank you for your attention. Take care. Be happiness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.